I have to report. So, do you want to play your game with us? Huh? Huh? At the total ignore of, I mean, our point. Huh? They were they could not say anything, but they still went on talking. Mr. Muivah, you are the only one. You are the only one talking like this. But we have understood you. We have understood you. We have understood you. So come what may, we'll stand our ground. They also said, I repeat it, whether it is today or tomorrow, or the years to come, we'll stand our ground. We will not come taking our history to surrender to you. No, we will never do that. Whether it is today or tomorrow or in the future, anytime, we will never do that. Okay, don't forget what we have taught them, frankly. You have understood. So, you know, there is no, uncertainties of, say, this and that, because our stand is clear. And they have understood that also clearly. So they have said, yes, come on, way. Yes, you are right. But what to do? See, we have our difficulties. That is what they said. Some of them say that clearly. And so, we will stand our ground. Come what may. Come what may. So, whether it is today or tomorrow, Nagas are Nagas, Indians are Indians. If you don't come to understand us, and then to appreciate it, then there is no point for us to come to you. So I have clearly told them. But if you try to appreciate and understand, yes, we are ready. We are ready, but not beyond that. Okay. So they say, we do. They will say.